To set up the device first, you need to turn on the device. To turn on, press and hold the power button for 5 seconds. It will boot up the device and show you the QR code to scan with the phone's camera. To connect your mobile, you have to download boAt Smartwatch app from App Store or Google Play. Once you download the app, open the app and register to create a new boAt Smartwatch account using your email ID. Or if you already have an existing account, use your mail ID and password and log into the app. Once you logged in, go to Device and tap on Bind Device. Make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. Now you will see your device name. Now tap on Connect button. Now check your watch. There you will see a prompt. Tap on Yes and wait for a few seconds. Now your device will be paired with your smartphone. Hope this video might be helpful for you. I will be doing a detailed review about this watch on upcoming days. If you're interested in tech-related videos, please subscribe my channel.